In this lesson, you'll learn how to trade futures on Binance, and let's go. Friends, my name is Yuri, top offer on TradingView with more than 50,000 followers. I ask you to push like, follow, because that would be useful for you. To trade futures on Binance, I think you understand that you need to have Binance account. A link below, there would be a link below for registration. You will get 10% fee discount if you use our link forever. Here is a main page. What you need to do, you also need to log in into main page. As you can see, if you use browse version, what you do, you here push derivatives, here USD-M futures. Also take a look, if you have app, if you have desktop version, what you do here, you open futures, as you can see. Let's open. I know that most of you will use this one, will use PC version, the browse version. That's why I will share all the stuff and all the information here. Before we start trading futures, first what we need to do is to deposit money on your futures account. Take a look here what we do. As you can see, you have your spot wallet transfer. You need to transfer money from your spot wallet to futures. As you can see here, you choose futures. Here you choose your spot wallet. As you can see, you choose coin. As you can see, BNB, USDT. I personally have USDT. And take a look here. As you can see, that's the amount of money that I have on spot. And here, as you can see, you can deposit part of money. As you can see, I already have here 10,000 USD. I don't deposit all money on futures account because we have leverage. I don't need bigger amount of money on futures account. After that, first what you need to do is to choose leverage. I recommend you maximum to set 20. I personally set 10x leverage. You don't need bigger leverage on futures when you trade crypto. When you try to trade futures, your first question is how to open a position. Let's do some example for you. I would like to open some position. Let's do Ethereum Classic, for example. As you can see, you search here instrument, after that you open it. And take a look. As you can see, you have instruments that you would like to trade. As you can see here, you can change, you can work with chart, you can change time frame here. You can build a trend line, you can build some levels, all of that stuff. Here, Fibonacci, as you can see, arrow down. As you can see, of course, far better to use TradingView for charts because some of you will use it as your main trading platform. As you can see, you can start using TradingView because TradingView much better. Here, as you can see, you can build trend lines. Here you can use the most useful stuff on TradingView that we have. It is long and short position. As you can see, you can choose all of them. For example, you have a plan to open long position. Let's do, for example, we have plan to open long position. And beauty when you use TradingView here, as you can see, you can set coordinates, style, risk. As you can see, account size. What we can do, cash, as you can see, for example, we can write risk per trade 50 USD and take a look. With such stop loss size, you need to buy 10 coins, 20 coins. Okay, as you can see, that's how you can work with chart. Let's open some position. I would share with you how I open a position, how I set pending orders. First, you can open a position by market. As you can see, you can open position by market. Take a look. For example, I would buy 0.1 Ethereum Classic. I would buy it. As you can see, you already can set stop loss and take profit with your position. I wouldn't set it at this moment. I just want to share with you example. As you can see, it is a market order. What I do, I buy long. Order failed. And take a look. As you can see, we have Ethereum Classic here. As you can see, it is a leverage. I don't know why here is 20x leverage because I want to have 10x leverage. Confirm. As you can see, 10x leverage. After that, how you can set stop loss and take profit. Different options. The best one for me personally, I set, as you can see, we have this part. As you can see what you do here, you can write stop loss and take profit. Beauty of this, when you write, for example, 64, you can see amount of money that you will lose if price will hit your stop loss, for example 60, okay, and another example that would be 120, and the same with take profit. Beauty of this, once more, here you can see if price hit your stop loss, your result, it is without commission. remember without commission, would be minus 69 cents USDT. And here would be, if price reach your take profit, that would be amount of money that you would have. And what we do, confirm. As you can see at this moment in open orders, it's appeared. Take a look, open pending orders, it's appeared. Also, as you can see, you can push this bottom and you will see only orders that connected to a symbol that you open here. As you can see, all of them. You can cancel here, take a look. As you can see, we canceled stop loss, and also we just canceled a take profit. And what you can do here, you can set it again, for example, 55, 522, 55, and 125. Confirm, as you can see. As you can see, we just set stop loss and take profit. Okay, what's the next part? Some of you also have a desire first to close a position by market. As you can see here, you can close a position by market, close all positions. How you can close position by market? Next scenario, first one, here you can just sell positions that you have. For example, you have market, you have like your Ethereum Classic, we have 0.10% of coin. What we do, sell short.
Order failed.
And take a look, as you can see, we just sold it. Why I push this bottom, reduce only? Because when you will set pending orders, there would be a situation when better would be to set it, because also some of you can set stop losses in different ways, because maybe with this approach you don't like it and you have a desire to set a stop loss by yourself. What you do? You can set stop loss manually. For example, we just bought it. To close it, we set sell limit to sell all our coins. As you can see, size reduce only here. Why it's so important to have reduce only? As you can see, we set sell short, reduce only, and the price 70 USD. How will it work? Sell short. As you can see, we set pending order, sell limit 70. Do you see that here it is reduce only? Why it's so important? Because imagine you also set stop sell, stop market. It must be buy stop, reduce only. As you can see, is the same. 5, and your price should be 60. Sell stop, as you can see, sell stop, it is sell below current price, sell at 60, sell, take a look. As you can see, we have two stop market, amount, field, the price. As you can see, triggered conditions, as you can see, 60. What does it mean? If price hits 60, it is sell. Why we set reduce only? Imagine if like price hit your take profit and after that drops, and if here would be no reduce only, your order will activate your stop loss that you set here. You will sell here, because price can make something like hit your take profit, after that retest it, and you will have sell position without any stop loss. That's why it is essential to set reduce only. I personally, my friends, remember that I personally use stop loss and take profit, this one, because it is the most suitable for me personally to set stop losses and take profits. It is really easy to use. It is the best to use for me, because you understand what is your stop loss in your account currency. If you lose some amount of money, you can see it. That's all. About cross margin, I personally do not use it here. What leverage? 10 leverage, I don't use even more. Yes, if you have a smaller account like 100 USD, for you will be better to set bigger leverage, but only for educational purpose. The next one, it is a calculator, because you can calculate what is your entry point, exit point, 120, and amount of coins that you buy, and you can calculate exactly how much money you will make, how much money you will lose. But I personally use TradingView. For me, it's enough to use it, because TradingView gives to me full understanding what numbers I have a plan to read it. The next one here, how to set pending orders, because sometimes you have a desire to open the position not by market. Let's close it by market. Close position
order
by
failed.
market. As you can see, we close position by market and all stop losses and take profits disappeared. What else do we do? For example, we have a desire to buy at, if price will make a reload at 39. What we do, we use limit, and what we do here, there must be no reduce only, and we write 39 USD. And after that, you write amount of coins that you would like to buy at it. And as you can see, buy limit 10 Ethereum Classic. That's all. and also you can set a stop loss and take profit to that position. Okay, let's do buy long. As you can see, we have pending order, but take a look here. There is no stop loss and take profit. We didn't set any conditions as a stop loss and take profit. That's why it is much better if you set, for example, one coin, and here we have stop loss and take profit. We can set, for example, if our pending order 39, we can set take profit like 70 and stop loss like 30. And take a look here. Pending order, as you can see, take profit and stop loss, and you can view it. As you can see, trigger market price, trigger market price. I recommend you to use it, this one, to set stop loss and take profit when you trade futures, is because, my friends, as you know, sometimes price can go against you, and it's important to save it. About other positions, as you can see, cancel, the same. You cancel it and you have it. About another instruments, remember, my friends, that here you can use and you can open all other instruments that you personally would like to trade. Hot instruments, as you can see, Shiba, and all other ones. As you can see, like you change instrument and you set take profit and stop losses. That's all. My friends, that was a full tutorial for futures. Remember, if you have any questions, you can write it in the comments and we can update this lesson. Also, we have VIP room where you can learn how to trade, how to become profitable trader with our VIP room members, and AZ trading course where I share with you how exactly you can trade, how you can trade futures on Binance, open, close entries. All information in links below. Thank you.